We're going to go through a similar process to find the geometric formula, but we know that this is what the formula looks like. We can do the exact same thing by plugging in our original terms into the two equations, which would yield these. If we do the same thing and we set them both equal to a sub 1, it's going to look like this because we'll divide out the r's on both sides and ultimately look like that. So now we know that when we set two fractions equal to each other, we can go ahead and cross multiply. So now we got 40r to the 7th equals 25r to the 10th. If we move the 25 over and set that equal to 0, we can now go ahead and pull out our greatest common factor, which is 5r 7th, which leaves you with 8 minus 5r cubed, which equals 0. So now these are our two terms, right? So we can set them both equal to 0. We know it's not going to be this one because this would end up with an r of 0, which wouldn't work for a geometric series. So we're going to go ahead and look at this one. So if we just solve it normally algebraically, we'll end up with an r of 1.17, and then we can plug that back into one of our original formulas, which will give us an a sub 1 of 8.33, and that will yield this formula for our geometric series.